Look, this is oxy biodegradable, which is actually like which is LDPE, but with fillers. So this is all oxy biodegradable. This is a LDPE, it's a polyethylene bag, nothing special about it. But then you look at to this polymer. This is not plastic. This is polymer. It's completely biodegradable and compostable. So it's 100% compostable and biodegradable. It's made of plant oil. So we have three different greens right now: dark green, light green. You can also make into clear, like a translucent bag of different size. So this is another size. And this is another size. So it's an easy opening bag. This is like translucent. These are all 100% biodegradable and compostable in aerobic conditions anywhere, with or without moisture. This degrades within a certain time.